Hey everybody, it's John from DaJa Adventures. Right now I have 4 bikes that are all in different stages of repair. 2 of them are Kawasaki's. One of them is going to be pretty much a complete rebuild. It's a KLX450. The other one's a 2009 KLR650. The other one is a 2003 Yamaha TTR225, and the one I'm working on now is a 2006 Honda CRF450x. So the 450x I got just about a week and a half ago, and it needed a whole bunch of things, radiators being one of them. So my radiators are probably repairable, but I decided to just go ahead and buy new. It wasn't that expensive. It was $169 from Rocky Mountain for the Tusk brand. They seem to get good reviews, and I figure what the heck, for 169 bucks, let's give it a try. So I read some things that people were sort of concerned about the way the spouts face, as far as facing the right way. And from what I see, everything is correct. And I'm going to show you here. The one on the right is the new Tusk. The one on the left is my OEM. So you can see everything matches perfect on that. And then we'll go to this side. And everything seems to match up perfectly on this side. So you can see that I'll have to take these grommets out, which are a complete pain in the butt, and put them on this one. And you can kind of see, I don't know if that comes off very well, but you can see the bend here. The other one is a lot worse, and I'll show you that one in a different video when I compare the left. But as far as I can tell on this one, everything is perfect. The build quality seems to be fine. I mean, the welds are nice. I used to be a welder many years ago, and the beads look pretty good, pretty consistent. I never did aluminum, so I'm just going by the way the welds look, and they look pretty darn good. But that is it. That is the Tusk Radiator for a 2006 Honda CRF450 right side. I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully that helps.